So I came to this little swampy area here for my lunch break just to unfocus myself from the work life and to think. Um, the wind, it's just so pretty out and it feels so good to be here. I just wish there were more birds. I wish there were more birds here singing instead of me hearing the men cleaning the area in this place. But yeah, we have some birds here that I am wanting to look for and to see if I see any, but they're probably flying somewhere, getting some lunch. There's lots of butterflies here. Beautiful orange butterflies. I saw a yellow and black butterfly. Looked like bumblebee butterfly to me. I named it. But it feels really good here, and I think I'm gonna start coming here more often. So check this out. This is where I'm at. Under this tree. And under this tree. So we have duality and duality. And I'm in the middle. And then we have the Trinity. Look at those skies, though. Gorgeous.